job, Elise. Emma likes hearing you sing, too.
Get your little phone up there. There you go.
Are you getting a bath, Emma? She looks confused right now.
You gonna give Mom some smiles?
Can I have some smiles? Are you splashing your legs around?
What's that?
She wants to talk to you.
What are you talking about, huh?
She's splashing her little legs around. She likes to splash her little legs around.
Did you? Good job. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh?
Good job, Elise.
Where are you going?
Yes, you can.
Get your phone back on there so it won't slide off.